today is, because I still can't get this filter off, I'm going to freeze, I'm going to cool off the filter housing with all these ice packs, and I'm going to try and heat the top, so we've got expansion and contraction. Maybe that might help to break any seal to get this filter off. Crazy thing, still won't budge. I got this little screwdriver and I've put a couple of pinprick holes in there to see, just in case there's any suction or pressure or whatever to release that. No oil came out, still won't budge. So cooled filter, heated top, still won't budge. Crazy, I don't know how this got on here. I can't believe it, I finally moved this filter. I put this bit of wood here to help support it, because the last time we did this on the other side it broke the back bracket at the back here. So I wedged this wood in to support it, and then this is crazy, but I've got a folding bike. So I got the folding bike seat tube, slotted it over this wrench handle to try and spread the weight, because these things just bend, and it moved. I got it to move 3 millimeters, so I reckon I can get it off now. It is moving. Look, watch. There it goes. Look, it's moving. Oh, I got it. Look, it's moving. Oh, what a ridiculous thing. It's moving. Look at the state of this filter. Finally, I've got it to move. Look, it's moving very slowly. Look at that. The filters. Oh, God, got it. It's bloody got it off. I just don't believe it. Finally. No mechanic needed. The old lady got a clogged fuel filters, probably from the rough weather we went out in the other day. But I reckon I can be called captain now, because I changed the filters, the fuel filters. So I changed 4 filters, primary and secondary fuel filters, and she's running quite sweetly now.